Let's join Honey and Coco and learn musical instruments. Here we go. Electric guitar. Woo! Harmonica. What a sweet sound. Cello has such a deep and rich tone. Acoustic guitar is so bright. The violin, so graceful. The tambourine is a happy sound. The harp sound is very gentle. The flute has an adventurous sound. The accordion has a lot of rhythm. The trumpet sounds exciting. The maracas make you want to shake. The piano makes you smile. And finally, the drums. They are the beat. Thanks for learning with us. Hit the like button. See ya.